In this video, I am going to share with you how to make money as an online coach. If you're new to this channel, welcome back. My name is Salua and I teach freedom seekers how to make money online so they can work from anywhere. So if you didn't know, I am myself a coach. I've been certified in 2014 as a life coach and then as a business coach in 2016. So in this video, I'm going to break down if you need to be certified, the pros and cons, and how you can actually make money as an online coach. So first, the big question, do you really need to be certified? The short answer is no. But we're going to break it down a little bit more so you'll learn the pros and cons of being certified. If people ask you for advice on anything, whether it's business, fitness, career, or parenting, you can coach them online. Coaching is just really guiding someone from point A to point B faster based on your knowledge and experience. So let's start with the pros of being certified. You get credibility and structure. You may feel more confident starting out, and it can help in industries like health or life coaching where clients value credential. But to be quite honest, I've been certified for over 10 years and never, not once, somebody asked me for my certification. Actually, I'm going to post a photo right here so you can see. Now let's talk about the con. On the flip side, certification costs money and time, and the truth is you don't really need one to get started. Most successful online coaches build a business by helping people getting results, and then they refine their methods. So I agree. I mean, I did my certification because I felt that for me, I really needed the structure and I learned a lot. But over time, my coaching got better because of my expertise and also because I've implemented the strategy that worked for me. And then I started teaching that with people. Two people in my coaching program, which by the way, I do have a coaching program where I teach people how to go remote. But first I started with business. So that means that anybody who wanted to start a business, I help them, I guide them through everything from the beginning, from start to execution. And not only that, coaching helps you with the structure, but I realized that a lot of my clients, they need that guidance and accountability. That's what they need. I right now have a personal trainer. That's the coach. And honestly, I could go to the gym and do exercise by myself. But I decided to go with the coach and pay money to someone who is really going to give me the structure that I need, that is customized, and also help me become accountable. And that's why we hire coaches. So I think overall, if you have proven concept, if you have expertise on a specific topic, I think it's totally fine to coach without a certification as long as you provide value and deliver results. So that would be my take on it with the certification. So how do you actually get started as a coach? Well, first you have to pick a niche. We already talked about this. When I started, I first got my certification as a life coach. Honestly, I was in my 20s, I think. I'm glad I got the certification, but then I realized very quickly that this life coach is too broad. I really needed to niche down. And then business was something that I was always attracted to, business and marketing. And then over the years, I refined that. So first pick a niche, whether it's fitness, health, wellness, career coach. I think the most important thing is to first becoming very specific on who you are helping. So that's number one. Then once you know who you're helping based on results and your expertise, on the back end, the tools you would need is really not much. You would need a Zoom account. I know the free accounts, you have up to 45 minutes for free, but then you can upgrade it. I think it's $14 a month if I get this correctly. And then you could do a 60 minutes, 90-minute sessions, and you can record those sessions and send them to your clients. And then use a platform like Calendly where you can schedule your consultation, and you can also take payments with Calendly. And by the way, I'm gonna leave all the resources that I'm using on the bottom of this video in the description, and you will see it will say link and resources mentioned in this video. Then you wanna promote yourself on platforms like social media. I follow a coach, a relationship coach. He's showing up every day and give great advice. And honestly, if I was interested in a relationship, getting into a relationship, I would contact him. I think he's very knowledgeable. He's got tons of clients, and every day he comes up with few tips on the specific topic of relationship, and I think it's great. So if you are a fitness trainer, Go on social media, teach people what you do. If you're a health coach, then show up every day and teach about recipe or anything that you are providing value. Just show up consistently on social media, and then you link into your profile, your Calendly. If you have a website, even better. You can even embed your Calendly calendar onto your website and let people come and schedule a call with you directly from your website. I think people want to connect with you. They want to hear about your story. How did you go from A to Z? And then show your process online and really build this connection with the people. And this is how they will be interested in working with you. So now you know if you need a certification or not. We went through the pros and cons, and you know what you need to get started. So now I'm going to share with you few websites of where you can find clients. So make sure you take a screenshot of this. If it's general coaching or mentorship, you have websites like Coach.me, Clarity.fm, Growth Mentor, Fiverr, and Upwork. It's not necessarily coaching, but you can create offers for business, career, health, or mindset coaching, and you can even share strategy sessions on there. For health and fitness, you have websites like Noom, BetterUp, TaskHuman, Maven, and Caria. For business and career and life coaching, you have Coach Hub, Torch, Sharpist, Skillshare, and Udemy I like because you can put your own courses out there. So that's something to think about. And then if you are specialized in a specific niche, which I also like because the more specific you are, the better. There are websites like Mentor Cruise. This is for coaching for tech, design, data, marketing, and career growth. Super Peer, you can host one-on-one coaching calls or paid group workshops. Take Lessons, good for language, music, or skill-based coaching. And Wisdom App, it's like a clubhouse, but focused on live audio membership. The reason why I like these platforms is it's really good for the beginning. You don't have to worry much about marketing. You can just put your portfolio there and your skills on there. It's great to build testimonials so you can see what clients need, how you can refine your offer, what kind of results you can get them. And then you can show up on the social media once you have a little bit of a proven concept of what you're doing and more testimonials to help you out in the background. So how to make money? I would first sell one-on-one coaching. If you've never done coaching and you have a good strategy or you have a good proven concept of something that you've done and you know you can teach other people, I would probably start with free or very minimum amount of money on one-on-one coaching so you can get your testimonials up and running. And then once you do one-on-one, you can upgrade to group coaching. After group coaching, you can start selling your digital product or your courses. And remember to be consistent, remain consistent on social media so you can get more traffic to your website or to your one-on-one coaching program. So I'll leave you with this. Do you need a certification? No, but if you have it, it adds credibility, so why not? What you really need is to deliver results. That's what people want. They want value and results, and for that, they'd be willing to pay for it. So let me know in the comment section if I forgot anything. I've been working as a coach, amongst other things, for over a decade now. If you are interested in my coaching program, I will leave the link in the description down below. If you are interested in learning how to make money online, I do have a freebie called the Remote Income Roadmap, and I'm also going to leave the link down below. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye-bye from Mexico.